All right, let's heat things up. Got a little too excited. All right, today we are going to be looking at a package that you guys told us to look at. We were told, hey, check out what Kingsford has done with an ecom ready box. These big bags of products, charcoal, pet food, things like that, mulch, you name any of these big, large bags that you would buy from the store, have been notoriously difficult to ship from a damage and handling standpoint, both product damage and package damage. And so this is a solution that Kingsford has developed. And I don't know the whole story behind this. I think this may be a stock offering from somebody. But anyways, let's check it out. Let's see what they're doing here. So it is a 17.5 pound, it's got some weight to it. Really heavy duty box. Looks like it's just a single flute core, but it's like a full overlap, which means these two top flaps fully overlap on top of each other. Gives it a lot more structure. There are some punch out handles on the sides here. Or just on one side. And then on the front here, they have tried to, and done a pretty good job at clearly communicating with color where to draw the eye. And this says push here, pull here, and then easy to tear string opener. Maybe if my hands weren't slippery. I mean, we'll say easy to tear is relative. There it goes. Easy-ish to tear. That's actually a really tough balance to get. Something that needs to be strong enough to withstand that whole e-commerce supply chain, but yet at the same time be easy to open. So you want it to be hard to open and easy to open at the same time. Easy peasy. All right, once I've done that, I've got instructions on the top here. Once I've done that, I need to pull this top open and then dump out the charcoal. I mean, I can do that. So, said. All right, so the corner of the box lifts up. Is this sealed? It's been sealed, so you basically have to tear this off once you get it done. Super noisy. You have what looks to be a plastic coated paper bag inside of the box. And I'm assuming I didn't see anything jumping out really about recyclability. Made with 100% natural ingredients. It is not making any recyclability claims on this pack. I don't know if it is. So if you guys look at like a Cracker Jacks box, or there's been some other packs that have come out over the years, but there's the bag is bound to the inside. Now those are usually like a foil lined bag and you can't separate them. It makes the whole package actually non-recyclable. But this, because of this bag, I am really not sure if this thing is recyclable. The box is obviously, and so without destroying this whole thing, I don't know if this liner just pulls out, but the bag is questionably recyclable. If you guys know anything about this structure, please shoot something in the comments below to tell us, because there are no instructions on it around recyclability or sustainability. There's no SPC information or anything. But I mean, overall, a pretty decent experience. Rather than just having those loose bags for e-com, because the alternative to this is you take one of those big bags that is not recyclable typically, and you put that inside of a box that hopefully fits it. This is a much more consolidated, ready to ship, e-com ready version. And something in the Amazon world we would call SIOC, or ships in own containers. So you see where they just stuck a shipping label right on the outside of the box. All right, if there's something else like this you want us to check out, let me know in the comments below. And I think today's a good day to grill. Let's get the barbecue.